My guy Kai is back. So Kyan has been coming to our show since 2008. I can't even do the math on that. It's
13 years.
Wow, lucky 13?
Yeah.
13 years. He has done our show over 114 times.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
You know, I got my start in television on Queer Eye for the Straight Guy.
Of course.
And I've done more episodes of Rachael Ray than I did of Queer Eye.
He's done more episodes of us. I mean, as you can see from that footage, every time Kai has been here, his hair grows so quickly, and he's constantly changing his vibe and his look.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, he's had pirate hair and, like...
Blonde hair.
Yeah,
oh,
blonde
yeah.
hair, earrings, no earrings, like
right.
every length and shape. And he's always just, you know, super sexy and is super suave and very cool.
Oh, you're kind.
And I always look forward to seeing Kyan. And I love this look, too, like the intellectual in the suit with the
gray,
beard.
the no
The
more
gray
beard
beard?
color. Yeah, the gray beard. I'm just embracing my age now, you know?
Well, John is not, but he's still coloring his beard the way you taught him.
Oh, good. Okay, good.
He's a loyal pupil.
Good.
So Kyan has an announcement he's going to share with everybody, and he came to us because he has done this show more than any. So what is your announcement?
I am retiring from the television business at last.
Isn't that weird?
At long last.
I know, it's a drag, right? Look, she's literally shaking you off.
I just feel ready to move on to something else. I don't know what that is yet, but, you know, things come to an end and the universe will fill a void, so it's time to step away and see what's next for me.
And make a little room.
Yeah, I have to tell you that because of you, I've worked for you for 13 years, and because of you and working on the show, the flexibility that it gave me, the income that it gave me, I was able to spend the last year of my mother's life with her at home.
Oh, that's great.
And you gave that to me.
That's
so thank
wonderful.
you so much, Rick. I'll never forget it.
You know, we all learned a lot about ourselves during the pandemic, and I think we've all been learning how to be a little more introspective. So we have nothing but love and respect for you. We are your family.
Yes, you are.
And we will always be family. It doesn't matter if we're on TV or not. You don't need cameras.